Hello everyone, my name is Kanika and I'm a founder of GoStudio.ai. So you all know, if you're following me on the LinkedIn, that we launch a new model related to image generation, and that is high quality model. So today I'm just going to tell you how you can use this and generate your high quality images. And trust me, this is very useful, and the quality as compared to any of the model is very high. So you can try by yourself, and I mean, my inbox will always open for your feedback. So if you can just click on instant photo, you can come on this page, and in this page you can see we steps also written that how you can load your image, and maximum 10 images you need to generate the best image. And in this video I'm going to generate a image and I can show you the quality. uh, and there are some templates also, predefined templates. You don't need to go to the chat gpt or any another tool to just find out the prompts. So the trending prompts or the trending photos, we just update this. We regular on regular basis, we just going we plan that we update this templates for you, and with your feedback we can improve that. Right now we just added 32 plus templates, and in this there's CEO, there's personal branding, LinkedIn, summer, and we'll keep adding on this. There are question answer section and the banner as well, and the footer. So from this hero section, you can just click on try it for free, and it's free for now. But I want to tell you that it was not gonna free for longer time, because we are just launch this for the trial basis, and for that matter we just give this free for a a week. So you can just go and try this. So as you can see, we log in, and this is our dashboard. So if you can come on the dashboard, you will see there are so many AI tools, and we just categorize everything, and we are rebuilding and revamping this platform. So there are so many changes you can see, and the personal branding section is different, and the professional headshot is different. And if you come here, you can see instant photos, or you can see in the sidebar also there is instant photo. You can go directly from here, or you can just select. You can come here and just select profile. And if you have already profiles, like in my case there are so many profiles already created, so you can select those profiles and you can go with that profile. But because I am just giving you the example that you can how you can create your profile, so we can click on create profile, and we can just add our name, gender, and save and next. Now this is the process to create your profile. Here you can upload maximum 10 of your images. So let's upload. So I uploaded my images, and we can just click on continue. So it's go now it go to the template section, where you can select a particular template according to your choice. So as you can see here, there are so many templates showing according to our gender. Like I selected a female, so it's showing all the females for uh, templates. So I'm going to select this professional headshots and click on train. Now it will showing a timer for 15 minutes, and on that time you can just explore AI editor. So we'll wait for and you can click here. You can just go to explore the AI editor, where we added the chat gpt chat gpt image generation model already. So you can try this also. In the next video I'll show how you can use this, and it is also free of cost. So you can see here profile training is happening. So we can wait till our profile training is done. And the same process you can do from in the sidebar also. You can click on the instant photo, create your profile. By the way, if you have already profile, so you can just click shift and add the rate. You can select your any profile and start prompting here. So let's wait till our profile is creating, and you can just click on here, and the same process you can do from the sidebar also. You can select here and you can just create your profile, or if you have already profile, you can just select that and you can start doing prompting. So let's wait for 30 minutes. So as you can see, it's successfully, the profile training is done. Now we can create. Now it's time to create beautiful images for yourself. uh, I just want to tell you that you have to keep patient, so that it will take time, 15 minutes. So you have to be like sit and do explore as many as things you can explore in GoStudio.ai. And as I always said that your feedbacks always matter for us. So let's let's just go to see the photos that we uploaded. So here it's showing the pictures that we have. Now we can go to instant photo, and here we select our profile that I created just now. So it's Kanika. And from the template, I can select any template and generate the similar kind of image. So right now we just added few sections like in the creative, headshot, lifestyle, personal branding. So as I mentioned, like with the trends, I will keep adding this templates as much as we can. So for now, just let's select this, and it's automatically fill the prompt. You can just click enter or generate and wait for the result. So as you can see, look at this picture. So if you can see this picture, this is exactly what we select in the template. So you can write your own prompts or you can select from the templates, and we keep updating this template wala section so that you the will enjoy the images from these templates, and we'll keep updating this template wala section with trending prompts and trending images. So let's generate few more images. I'm selecting this is the close-up one. You can click on generate and it'll keep generating, and this all generated images are saving in the gallery, so you can download anytime and use where whatever place you want to use it. And if you can see in the side there are the pictures you already generated. For that we have some prompts, so you can use those prompts also. So if you can select any of them, so you can use these also. Or you want to just write your own prompts, you have some creative things in your mind, so you can write after selecting your profile, your trained profile. You can also write your own prompt and generate your image you want. See, we selected this template and it's similar created, and you can see my face is not changed anything. Everything is same, nothing is changed, and the quality you can see. If you can just download this image or you can use this image, you can go to the gallery and check uh, the image you generated. So it's very simple to use and very good for the people who have their personal brand. Or so if you're an influencer or if you're having a personal brand, so you can just keep using this platform and this tool. Trust me, it's very, very realistic. As you can see, all the images are perfectly fine and very realistic. So it's free, of course. You can try and generate your image as much as you can. And my comment section is always open for your criticized feedback. So tell me the feedback, whatever thing you like it, whatever things you don't like it, what things I can improve.